This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the US economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Today is March 29th, and one of the key financial topics right now is stock market today. As a new trading week approaches, investors across the United States are closely watching how Wall Street is positioning itself. The stock market today discussion is trending because markets are entering a new phase where expectations matter just as much as recent performance. Investors are analyzing economic signals from the past week while preparing for new data that could influence market direction. Markets often shift into a forward-looking mode at this point. Traders and institutions begin adjusting their strategies based on what they expect to happen next, not just what has already happened. Behind the headlines, the real trend is anticipation. Investors are waiting for clearer signals about inflation, interest rates, and economic growth. Until those signals become clearer, markets can move cautiously or show mixed behavior. For everyday households, the stock market today has real financial implications. Retirement accounts like 401ks, pension funds, and long-term investments are all tied to market performance. As expectations shift, the value of those savings can also change. Market expectations also influence business decisions. When companies feel confident about economic conditions, they are more likely to invest, expand, and hire. But when uncertainty remains, businesses may take a more cautious approach. That cautious approach can eventually affect job opportunities, wage growth, and overall economic momentum. Looking ahead, investors will be watching key economic indicators that could shape the stock market today in the coming week. Inflation reports, employment data, and policy signals will likely play a major role in determining market direction. For now, Wall Street is preparing for the next set of economic signals while adjusting to the evolving outlook. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with